Dremel tools are like small powerhouses for your workshop. These compact yet powerful tools can handle a wide range of tasks, making them indispensable for any DIY enthusiast or professional craftsman. They are rotary tools that spin very fast, often reaching speeds of up to 35,000 revolutions per minute. This high-speed rotation is what gives Dremel tools their incredible versatility and efficiency. This spinning action lets them cut, grind, sand, and polish various materials. Whether you're working with metal, wood, plastic, or even glass, a Dremel tool can handle it all with ease. What makes Dremel tools special is their size and versatility. They come in various sizes and models, each designed to tackle specific tasks, from heavy-duty cutting to delicate engraving. They are lightweight and easy to handle, which means you can use them for extended periods without experiencing fatigue. This makes them ideal for detailed work that requires precision and a steady hand. You can use them for both big and small projects. From large-scale home renovations to intricate craft projects, a Dremel tool can adapt to your needs. Dremel tools are great for detail work. Their precision and control allow you to create intricate designs and patterns, making them perfect for artists and hobbyists. They can get into tight spaces and make precise cuts. This is particularly useful for tasks that require a high level of accuracy, such as model building or jewelry making. This makes them perfect for crafts, hobbies, and even some home repairs. Whether you're fixing a broken piece of furniture or creating a custom piece of art, a Dremel tool can help you achieve professional results. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting, a Dremel tool can be a valuable addition to your toolkit. Its versatility, ease of use, and wide range of applications make it a must-have for anyone who loves to create and build. Dremel makes different models of rotary tools. Each model has unique features. Let's look at some popular ones. First, the Dremel 4000. This is a high-power model. It's great for heavy-duty projects. Next, the Dremel 3000. This is a versatile model. It's good for both beginners and experienced users. And finally, the Dremel 8220. This is a cordless model. It's perfect for projects where a cord would be in the way. These are just a few examples. Dremel has a tool for everyone, from beginners to professionals. Dremel tools are very versatile. You can use them for a wide range of applications. They can cut through materials like wood, metal, and plastic. This makes them useful for crafts, model building, and home repairs. Dremel tools can also grind and sharpen. You can use them to sharpen tools, remove rust, or smooth out rough edges. Their sanding and polishing capabilities make them great for finishing touches. You can use them to smooth wood, polish metal, or clean delicate surfaces. Dremel tools are even more versatile with accessories. These accessories attach to the tool to perform different tasks. Cutting bits. These are used for cutting various materials. Different bits are available for different materials and cutting depths. Grinding stones. These are used for grinding metal, sharpening tools, and removing rust. Sanding drums. These are used for sanding wood, metal, and other materials. They come in different grits for different levels of sanding. Polishing pads. These are used for polishing metal, plastic, and other materials to a shine. Dremel for crafting and DIY. Dremel tools are a crafter's best friend. They are perfect for intricate work and adding details to projects. You can use a Dremel tool to engrave designs on wood, glass, or metal. This is great for personalizing gifts or creating unique decorations. Dremel tools are also great for cutting and shaping small pieces for models or jewelry. Their precision makes them ideal for delicate work. If you're into DIY projects, a Dremel tool can help you add those finishing touches that make your project stand out. Dremel for home repairs. A Dremel tool can be a lifesaver for small home repairs. Their size and versatility make them perfect for those hard-to-reach places. You can use a Dremel tool to remove grout between tiles, sand down rough edges on furniture, or even cut small pieces of wood for repairs. Their ability to cut through metal makes them useful for fixing loose screws or removing rusted parts. While a Dremel tool might not replace your entire toolbox, it can certainly handle a surprising number of small home repair tasks. Dremel for automotive work. Dremel tools are handy for automotive work too. They can help with repairs, maintenance, and even customization. You can use a Dremel tool to remove rust from car parts, polish metal surfaces, or even engrave designs on your car's interior. Their ability to cut and grind makes them useful for small bodywork repairs or modifications. If you enjoy working on your car, a Dremel tool can be a valuable addition to your garage. Safety tips for using Dremel tools. Dremel tools are powerful and can be dangerous if not used properly. Always prioritize safety when using a Dremel tool. Wear safety glasses. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris. Use work gloves. Wear work gloves to protect your hands from cuts and abrasions. Secure your workpiece. Make sure your workpiece is securely clamped down before you start working. Start slow. When using a new bit or accessory, start slowly and increase speed gradually. Choosing the right Dremel for you. With so many Dremel models available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Each model is designed with specific features and capabilities to cater to different needs, making it essential to understand what you require before making a decision. Consider your needs and budget. Are you looking for a tool for occasional use or something for more frequent heavy-duty tasks? Your budget will also play a significant role in your decision. Dremel tools range from affordable basic models to more expensive, feature-rich options. If you're a beginner, a basic model like the Dremel 3000 is a good starting point. It's versatile and affordable, making it perfect for small DIY projects and simple tasks. The Dremel 3000 is user-friendly and comes with a variety of attachments that can help you get started on your projects right away. For heavy-duty projects, a more powerful model like the Dremel 4000 is a better choice. This model offers higher performance and can handle tougher materials and more demanding tasks. It's ideal for those who need a reliable tool for more intensive use. If you need portability, a cordless model like the Dremel 8220 is the way to go. The cordless design provides flexibility and convenience, allowing you to work in various locations without being tethered to a power outlet. It's perfect for outdoor projects, or when you need to move around freely. Don't forget to consider the accessories you'll need for your projects. Dremel offers a wide range of accessories that can enhance the functionality of your tool. From cutting and sanding to polishing and engraving, the right accessories can make a significant difference in the outcome of your work. Dremel offers various kits that include the tool and a selection of accessories. These kits can be a great value, providing you with everything you need to get started on your projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, there's a Dremel kit that can meet your needs and help you achieve your creative goals. Tips for getting started with your Dremel. Once you've chosen your Dremel tool, here are some essential tips to get you started. First and foremost, read the manual. Before using your Dremel tool, read the manual carefully and familiarize yourself with its features and safety instructions. The manual is your best friend when it comes to understanding the capabilities and limitations of your tool. Practice on scrap material. Before tackling a real project, practice using your Dremel tool on some scrap material to get a feel for how it works. This will help you understand the tool's behavior and how it interacts with different materials. Start with low speed. When using a new bit or accessory, start with a low speed setting and gradually increase the speed as needed. This approach allows you to control the tool better and prevents any sudden mishaps. Don't apply too much pressure. The Dremel tool is designed to do the work for you. Let the tool do the work. Applying too much pressure can lead to mistakes and even damage your project. Applying too much pressure can damage the tool or your workpiece. It's important to maintain a light touch and let the tool's speed and bit do the cutting or grinding. This will ensure a smoother finish and prolong the life of your Dremel tool. Safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate safety gear such as goggles and gloves to protect yourself from debris and accidental slips. After each use, clean your Dremel tool thoroughly. This helps in maintaining its efficiency and longevity. Remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated during use. Store your Dremel tool and its accessories in a safe, dry place. Keeping your tools organized and in good condition will make your next project easier and more enjoyable. Plan your projects carefully. Having a clear idea of what you want to achieve will help you use your Dremel tool more effectively. Sketch your designs and make a list of the materials and accessories you'll need. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering your Dremel tool. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use your Dremel, the more skilled you'll become. Happy crafting. Sir. Dremel is a DIY enthusiast's best friend. Dremel tools are versatile and powerful tools that can take your DIY projects to the next level. Their compact size, variable speeds, and wide range of accessories make them suitable for various applications, from crafting and home repairs to automotive work. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting, a Dremel tool can open up a world of creative possibilities. Remember to prioritize safety, choose the right tool for your needs, and don't be afraid to experiment and explore the many things you can accomplish with your Dremel tool.